What up, AFK gang? This is your girl Kellen, and I have an unboxing video for you guys. Now, this particular product, something was on me. This particular product have been on IG for quite a while, and their products have been selling like hotcakes. So I wanted to get my hands in the tea and bring it to you guys so you guys can see what they are all about. So if you want to see the product of choice that I'm bringing to you tonight, keep watching. Yes, keep on watching. So far, just unraveling it, it looks absolutely gorgeous. One product that was recommended to me was the Glow La. Yes, that is a highlighting powder, and you guys know how much I love to highlight. Yes, you can't go wrong with the highlight. You know what I'm saying? It is thebomb.com. Okay, if you don't know what the highlight is, oh Jesus. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. So far, just looking at the outside in like the clear case, as you can see right here, it looks absolutely gorgeous. And then opening it up, let me take this plastic off. Look at the powder. Can you see that shimmer? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's all in the air. Oh, look how pretty. So let me do a little swatch for you guys so you guys can see what it is and how it looks. And I'm just swatching it on the back of my hand. Look at that. You see that? And that is where I put it. Look at that glow. I feel like I want to do it to my face now. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Oh. Yes. Honey child, I am gonna be glowing like nobody's business. Oh. If you're like me and have so many highlighting powders, like I have so many, so many. And none compares to how this is looking on me right now. I'm looking at my face and yes. So thank you to my sister for recommending this for me. Yes, thank you. The next product I got is called Watch Me Blush. It is a blush palette, but according to the website, it said you could use it as eyeshadow, and I've been looking for wait a minute, I didn't even open this already. What? These are gorgeous. This is a blush? Really? Is this a blush? Or no, this can't be no blush. I mean, it said you could use it as a blush and an eyeshadow, but these are too pretty to be a blush. So you have all your shimmers down at the bottom. Shimmers. And then you have matte all the way right here in the top. And this is called Watch Me Blush. Do some swatches for you guys so let's go. And it has enough for 5 fingers. So let's go with the pinky. Hot cocoa. Berry. Cranberry. This is awesome. Tangerine. And cobbler. Cobbler you can't really tell on my arm because it's a little light. I'll probably use it as a transition eyeshadow, much less or any. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see them? So gorgeous. Really amazing colors. I would definitely recommend it. I cannot wait to try this on my eyes to see how they actually come out on my eyes, because just looking at my hands, Lord, yes. Yes, looking at my arms is, I'm really liking this color. Yes, this is my jam. But if you like shimmers, this is for you. And they say you can use it as a blush too. Not sure which color you can use it as a blush, but we'll see. We will see when I apply it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. Stay tuned for the look that I will be doing with these two products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell to stay in the know for when I post new content. I love you guys, and until the next video, I will talk to you later. Bye.